Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. The question says cadmium amalgam is prepared by electrolysis of a solution of CdCl2 using a mercury cathode. So we have to find how long should a current of 4 ampere be passed in order to prepare 10% by mass cadmium in cadmium mercury amalgam on cathode of 4.5 gram of Hg. So सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे मास ऑफ Cd, मास ऑफ कैडमियम, मास ऑफ कैडमियम। सो वो कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, हम देख सकते हैं कि 10% वेट ऑफ सी डी जो है वो सी डी एच जी में प्रेजेंट है, विच मीन्स 10% ग्राम इज सी डी एंड 90% ग्राम इज सी डी अमलगम। सो इफ वी सी फॉर 4.5 ग्राम ऑफ एच जी, फॉर 4.5 ग्राम ऑफ एच जी वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर 10% सोल्यूशन ऑफ एमलगम, 10% एमलगम। तो यहाँ से अगर हम कैलकुलेट करें तो हमारे पास जो सी डी होगा वो कितना आएगा, वो आएगा हमारे पास 10/90 into 4.5 which would be equal to 0.5 gram which would be a mass of CD. So उसके बाद हम चेक करते हैं कि हमारी जो हाफ रिएक्शन ऑफ कैथोड क्या होगी, वो होगी हमारे पास CD2 positive plus 2 electron would form cadmium in solid state. So if we see that 1 mole of electron gives 1 Faraday of charge, and so 2 moles would give 2 Faraday, which would be 2 into 96500 coulombs. So if we see that for the charge required for 0.5 gram of cadmium is equal to 2 into 96500 divided by 112 into 0.5 coulomb. So if we see now the time, so time required would be equal to, we know the formula that charge is equals to I into T. So from here we will require the time, which would be calculated by 2 into 96500 into 0.5 divided by 112 into 4, which is our current. So the answer would be 215.40 seconds. So our B option would be correct. So I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.